मेरा वही सवाल होने वाला था कि मैम लोग आपसे डिवोर्स के बारे में तो बहुत बात कर लेते हैं, एडवाइस ले लेते हैं, बट ये नहीं समझते हैं कि एज अ डिवोर्स लॉयर आपके पास इतने केसेस हैं जो आप हैंडल कर चुकी हैं, जहाँ पे आपके पास ये नॉलेज है कि शादियां चलानी कैसे चाहिए।
बिल्कुल।
तो ये जो एंगल है आई थिंक किसी ने एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया है, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप ये बताइए कि जो आप गलतियां देख रहे हैं, जिस वजह से आप कोर्ट तक पहुंच रहे हो और डिवोर्स तक पहुंच रहे हो, वो क्या है, कैसे चला सकते हैं।
So, very good question.
थैंक यू।
Really good question. Okay. I feel कि मैंने इतने केसेस अब हैंडल कर लिए हैं, प्लस काउंसलिंग जो मैं करती थी. So I think the first thing is communication. Let there be better communication. Let there be direct communication. Okay, that is number one. Okay, number two, acknowledgement. कि आप, what do you both mean to each other? What do you both get into each other's life? Okay. Thirdly, your marriage partner is not your twin. Okay. So if you like Marvel movies, it doesn't mean your partner has to love Marvel movies. You know, she can probably like a romantic movie, or it can be vice versa.
जी.
Okay. So please don't expect that you have to have the same taste. They're not your twins. Okay. Number 4, which people don't speak about enough. You have not come into the marriage as a teacher or a principal. You have not come to teach your partner. कि अच्छा मैं इसको सिखाती हूँ या मैं इसको सिखाता हूँ, तू अपने घर से कुछ नहीं सीख के आई. I hear this all the time. मैं क्यों सीख के आऊँ घर से अपने? मैंने सीखा, मैंने सीख. You know what I'm saying? What kind of a statement is this? That means somewhere in your mind it's there that, you know, I have to teach this person. Why should you teach a person? Let the person be. You know, what is so great in trying to teach that person to mold them according to what? Why can't you be two somewhat different individuals and make a composite whole? Why can't you be that yin and yang? You know, I don't like this, that, and I find a lot of marriages break because of that. You know, ma'am, I tried to tell him that this is what he needs to do. Why should you tell him? You can recommend, you can suggest, and if it doesn't happen, well, then you got to say, it's never going to happen. And then you have to realign your thought process that I'm okay with that. But this thing that I'm going to make this person as per my clay model, that shouldn't be your aim in a marriage. And I think a lot of times you must spend time with each other. You know, we always hear in India कि जी marriages में इतने लोग घुसे हुए हैं. You know, इतने लोग घुसे हुए हैं. You know, I just tell them कि यार that band बाजा बारात ना वो wedding के time था. अब आप marriage में आ गए हो. You know, marriage is very different from a wedding.
Wedding, yeah.
You know, so be in the marriage and spend time with each other. Get to know each other and get to acknowledge and sort of be easy with each other and appreciate the differences. Once you start doing that, you know, you're on a good path. अब हम जब दोस्ती करते हैं, we don't expect our friends to be our exact carbon copy. We
Absolutely.
don't. You know, so why do we expect our partner to be? And have a higher tolerance level. It's okay, यार छोड़ दो.
Impatience बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है अभी आज के टाइम में.
बहुत ज़्यादा. So I said no tolerance level. Learn to be patient. You know, a few of these are these. And of course, I'm sorry, no one puts it out there. I want to put it out there. You need to be sexually compatible. It is a very big part of marriage. In fact, even the court of law, if you're not sexually active with each other, it can be one of the grounds for divorce. So, you know, learn that aspect also. Spend time exploring each other. Likes, dislikes, you know, what are your preferences? I mean, in general also.
जी.
You know, you can look at all these factors. And please, although you both are individuals, but you both are a couple also. You know, so keep your individuality also, but be together as a couple also. You're a team now.
You know, लोग कहते हैं कि after कुछ साल शादी के बाद सेक्स ड्राइव कम हो जाता है.
7 year itch.
आजकल तो वो भी नहीं रहा, क्योंकि आजकल तो 7 मंथ इच हो गया, और जो डेट कर रहे हो तो पहले के जमाने की तरह नहीं है कि शादी के बाद ही हम इंटीमेट होंगे.
करेक्ट.
आप एक दूसरे को बहुत एक्सप्लोर कर चुके हो.
Correct.
तो वो वो 7 ईयर एज बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है,
7 months.
7 मंथ एज हो गया. बट ये सच में ये फैक्टर हो सकता है या ये होता है?
होता है. In fact, one case came to me just quite recently where the wife said the husband doesn't want to perform. He says, once a month we'll do it. I said, my God, yaar, what is this? What is this? GST थोड़ी भर रहे हो? So, you know what I'm saying? कि month on month ऐसा ये मैं date एक fix कर दूंगा. You know, so she said, I just don't feel like doing it with him. And she says, and we have never seen each other. I said, how long have you been married? She said, ma'am, 15 years. She said, we've never seen each other without clothes, with the lights switched on.
In 15 years?
In 15 years. So, all this is also happening.
So sexual compatibility is a big factor.
It's a big factor.
Boredom?
Boredom, of course.
Bore हो गए.
हाँ, तो then don't spend that much time also na, with each other.
हाँ.
So you spend that much time. Okay, just look at it as a jigsaw puzzle.
जी.
ये जो एक है portion, ये थोड़ा अलग होना ही चाहिए. That empty portion, so that you can move around. Don't spend that much time also. You may remember जब joint families होती थी. You know, you were with everybody. So you were not 24 hours into each other and you know, I feel that थोड़ा सा take that also into consideration. That don't be with each other. And your husband doesn't need to inform you 24/7 where he is. Neither does the wife.
Absolutely.
You know, so don't go on that ki I should know your every movement.
नहीं.
Because then you're bound to get bored. You know, it's like a song playing on loop.
तो शाम को आके क्या बात करोगे? कैसा था तुम्हारा दिन? वो तो सब तो पता है.
Yeah, exactly. And it's a song on loop. You know, जो number 1 song होता है, we keep on listening. You know, 1-2 महीने से ना उसके बाद you're like, अब नहीं सुनना मुझे. You know, at all. So it's like that. Give each other adequate space. And also when I spoke about individual interests, you both must have a life away from each other.
Very important. I agree.
You must have different, I won't call them hobbies, but different activities that you can do. Like I like playing tennis. I love tennis. I'm a big fan.
Oh, lovely.
A book I've dedicated to Rafael Nadal. According to me, he's the perfect man.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've this thing, I love tennis.
जी.
You know, not necessarily that my partner should love tennis. You know, so these sort of things, like I love reading. You know, and I read everything. So not necessarily my partner should love reading. Correct. So spend that time also away from each other.